Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. We've got a beautiful all aluminum stealth trailer here in stock. This is an 8.5 by 28. This is, again, an all aluminum, very well built, high quality trailer. This one is in a smooth skin white exterior. You can see you do have the rear canopy with load lights here off the back as well. These trailers are great if you're really weight conscious. You can haul more in them as well because the weight of the actual trailer is less. This one does come with two 6,000-pound torsion spread axles, brakes on all fours, aluminum wheels, radial tires. This is going to give you guys an optimal setup. The torsion axle puts an independent suspension essentially under the trailer, so it's going to ride better and tow better. And then when we take these axles and spread them apart like this, cuts down on wagging and swaying that can occur, especially with these bigger trailers. This one also has some extra interior height in here, so this is a great setup for race cars. It's also a great setup if you guys have Jeeps and taller vehicles because you do have the height in this. It's a 7'10" interior height, which is going to give us about 6'9" at the rear door. Now we've upgraded the side door as well with the RV lock and cam bar. You do have polished corners, nice rounded upper cap, big heavy duty 8-inch frame. You guys can see this is more than just our standard 6-inch frame. It is on a heavy duty 8-inch frame with an extended triple tube tongue as well. And with the spread axle, you do get the beautiful spread axle skirting. Now we also equipped this one with a premium side escape door, and that gives us a removable interior fender. So I'm going to show you guys that here right now. Right now we pulled the fender off so you guys can see. And the benefits of that is if you have a low profile vehicle you need to pull in and out of here, you can swing your car door open because you no longer have to clear an entire fender. You're just trying to go up and over those tires and wheels. So a lot less tall there. It's also great if you have a vehicle that's wider than what your normal interior fender height is, simply because you can pull it off, drive over the tires and wheels, and come right inside the trailer. So backing up a little bit, we did equip this one with a beautiful one-piece rubber coin floor, and you do have 10 D-rings, so tons of tie-down points. This is great for a race car, a golf cart, or if you guys are setting up toys in here, a couple of razors, dirt bikes, that sort of a thing. So lots and lots of options with this unit. You also have finished walls and ceiling. We upgraded the lighting package as well. You've got the 8 LED puck lights all across the ceiling. And then we did upper and lower cabinets in the front, so you've got some storage space. So you're going to have 26 feet of cargo. We've got 2 feet sucked up here with your cabinets. Nice big countertop workspace. You've got big, huge cabinets below and a set of nice uppers. Side vents in this unit as well. That's important because more than likely you're going to stick something in here with fuel, and that's nice. It's going to naturally cross-ventilate this trailer for you guys, so you don't have to worry about that when you've got cars and such in here with fuel, like I said. Backside of your RV lock gives you a lock-a-latch, a set of keys. There's that one of those toggle switches to turn on your overhead lighting. And then this trailer is equipped with a dovetail. So again, that's what's going to give us a few more extra inches here at the rear ramp door. And you've got a nice big transition flapper extension here on the end of the ramp as well. So that's going to help with the angle and brake when you guys do need to pull Porsches and shorter, lower profile vehicles in and out of here like a lot of people do. Toggle switch right there. That's going to be to turn on your load light. And I wanted to just back up. This trailer has a beautiful profile with that rear canopy on it. Here's a better look of that premium side escape door open as well. It's very simple. There's 2 latches to pop that fender back on, so very user friendly. For your factory warranty with this unit, and give us a call. We'd love to earn your business. 303-688-8485, or we're always online at coloradotrailersinc.com. You guys can go right to our website and buy our units online. We try and make it simple and easy for you guys. We've got a buy it now button, and we also ship. So give us a call. We'll get you a shipping quote as well. 303-688-8485 or coloradotrailersinc.com.